international educator.
Hello student, I am teacher Thaddeus Baluka, and today I'm teaching chemistry form 1 lesson 2. Our topic of interest today is introduction to chemistry. Our subtopic is the Bunsen burner. Let's look at the lesson objectives. By the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to name the apparatus that are used for heating, draw and label the parts of a Bunsen burner, name and give the differences between the two Bunsen burner flames. And now, let's start by looking at what are some of the apparatus that we use in the laboratory for heating. And first of all, we have the Bunsen burner. We have the standard Bunsen burner, which is our main interest today. We have the portable burner, or rather the gas stove, the one that I've carried here. So this is a portable burner that can also be substituted for the standard Bunsen burner. We have candles, they can also be used. We have the spirit burners, and we have the kerosene stoves. But mostly in our laboratory experiments, we are either going to be using either the standard Bunsen burner or the portable burner, or rather gas stove. So let's look at now our topic, or rather our apparatus of interest today, which is the standard Bunsen burner. As shown on the screen, the Bunsen burner is made up of 3 major parts, whereby we are having the plate, the base. We are having the base as shown there. We have the base plate. Then from there, we are also having the chimney, or rather the barrel. That's the other major part. And also the other part is the collar. We have the plate, that is the base plate. We have the collar, and we have the chimney. Those are the major parts of the Bunsen burner. Among those parts, especially the collar, we also have what we call the hair hole. And from there, we are now going to, in our next area of concern, we are going to look at now what are the functions of the major parts of the Bunsen burner. And let's look at that. We have looked at the base plates, and this one provides support for the Bunsen burner to stand on its own. So it is what provides the form support. It provides support for the Bunsen burner so that it can be able to stand on its own. That is the function of the base plates. The other one is the jet, and that is the hole through which the laboratory gases enters the chimney. The jet is the hole through which the laboratory gas is able to enter the chimney. We can get back to the main diagram. We can get back to the main diagram that we had looked at, and from there you can be able to see the gas inlet where we are having the rubber tubing. That is whereby we are going to have the jet, and that is whereby now we are going to have the laboratory gas, which now going to be allowed to enter into the chimney, or rather into the Bunsen burner. The other part is the collar, and the collar controls the amount of air entering the chimney during burning. But the collar contains what we call the hair hole. Even in this portable burner here, the one that I'm using here, this is now the collar here, and we can be able to open the collar and you'll be able to get the hair hole. So these hair holes here are the ones that now allow air to enter into the chimney so that it can be able to mix with the laboratory gases. And when the air, the atmospheric air which contains oxygen, which is necessary for combustion, when it mixes with the laboratory gases and they meet on the top of the chimney, they ignite. Once they ignited, they produce a flame. So we have looked at the chimney, and now the chimney it allows both the atmospheric air and the laboratory gases to mix, so that once they are ignited at the top, of the chimney, they'll be able to produce a flame.